Hey guys, I'm going to show you my 3 projects I've been working with, my new Brother CP60X Computerized Sewing Machine. This is pretty awesome. It has 60 different patterns, it's extremely easy to use, and it handles tough materials pretty well. I've been using it on jeans, canvas, as well as nylon tote bags so that I could sew on like Velcro fasteners on it so that I could basically close these tote bags. It's been a pretty fun project. I started doing other things. Normally what I use this sewing machine for is to hem clothes, like pants and stuff. But it handles tough materials as well as delicate materials very well. And I basically feed it, different types of thread, and it works very well. Now, a next thing I found out was pretty useful is using it to basically hem blankets as well as towels. This is pretty cool, especially if you have a large towel that you want to cut down to use for other projects and don't want to fray and stuff. So this is actually a very, very big towel. No, not towel, but a blanket that was super warm. But I wanted to make it for some more cat and pet bedding, so I made it into smaller ones. I used the G-foot that was already included with the sewing machine, and what it does is that it bundles the sides together or the hem together of that blanket, and it sews it together. So it makes a nice little hem like that so it doesn't fray. And I already put it in the wash a few times and it works really well. It doesn't come off. And it's really cool. Now, the third one I've been doing, other than hemming pants and stuff, is basically hemming knit fabric like this one. This is actually a knit blanket, and it was a little more difficult. I didn't use the G-foot. I maybe should have tried it, but since it was knit, I decided to use I guess that, I'm not sure what's it called, but basically it binds up the fabric together of the knit area so it doesn't come undone. It's very nifty, very cool. Again, this CP60X is pretty awesome. It has a lot of functions and features, and it's extremely easy to use, and especially for a beginner like myself. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.